A nursing pillow is one of those things you don't think about until you really need it. It helps keep you comfortable while feeding, it supports your baby's weight, and it helps bring them closer without you having to hunch over. Hi, I'm Charlene, mom of 2, and today we're talking about nursing pillows. Specifically the Boppy nursing pillow, both the original and the newly redesigned version, which we'll cover. Lastly, for the new parents out there, we'll go over common breastfeeding and bottle feeding positions. While you can use a sleeping pillow or a throw pillow, a nursing pillow's unique design hugs around your body, making sure it stays there and doesn't slide off. It can also support multiple breastfeeding positions without you needing to reposition the pillow. Nursing pillows are firmer than your average pillow, so they give steady support even as baby keeps growing and growing. The original Boppy has been around for over 35 years, and I swear it's on almost every baby registry I've seen. Recently, Boppy has updated their design to improve on the original one. Here are the key differences. Instead of the traditional C shape, the new Boppy is more of a U shape. The U shape has a wider opening and a more body-inclusive fit. It has a firmer fill and larger surface area, ensuring baby's body is properly supported. It's thicker and more elevated than the original. This means you can bring your baby closer to your body while feeding. Keeping your baby close with full body contact helps them maintain a strong latch. Also, you don't have to hunch over. It's great for your posture, it reduces strain on your back and your shoulders. Have you seen those breastfeeding or bottle feeding emojis on your phone? That is the cradle hold. But just because it's an emoji and the most popular feeding position doesn't mean it's the only one. We have options. My baby is officially clocked out for nap time, which means it's doll time. I'm going to use this little one to show you the different ways you can use the Boppy for feeding. The first hold to try for newborns is the cross cradle hold. It's beginner friendly, especially for those just getting the hang of breastfeeding. Support your baby's head with the hand opposite to the breast your baby will be feeding from. Let baby's entire back rest on that arm and have the Boppy support all that weight. Use your other hand to hold your breast. Gently guide your baby to get a good latch. Another great hold for newborns is the football hold. It's good for C-section moms still recovering because baby or the pillow won't be resting on the scar. This hold is also good for feeding twins at the same time. Use your hand to support your baby's head and have their back rest along your arm. Hold your baby level, facing up beside you, and use the breast on the same side of the supporting arm. Rest your arm or arms on the sides of the Boppy. Now for newborn bottle feeding, another good one to try is the elevated side lying position. It helps newborns pace themselves while on the bottle. Support your baby's back and head as they rest on the Boppy. Have their ears, shoulders, and hips facing up towards the ceiling. Keep their head slightly elevated, then feed them the bottle. Lastly, the classic cradle hold. It's the most popular breastfeeding and bottle feeding position. This is best when baby is a little older and both you and baby are comfortable with feeding. In this position, baby's head rests on the crook of your elbow. Use the Boppy to support the weight of your arm. A few reminders for all these holds and for feeding baby overall. If you're a first-time parent, it might take you a little while before you find the position that's right for you and your baby. So don't fret if it takes some trial and error. Make sure baby's nose is clear, their chin is up, and the milk can flow easily. And if you're nursing or pumping, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. If you decide to use the Boppy like I did, here's a tip I tell all my friends. Get an extra pillow cover. From spit-ups to blowouts, lots of accidents can happen. The Boppy covers are machine washable, and having an extra cover ready while the other's in the wash helps. Or you may just want another one just because there's lots of cute patterns and colors to pick from. Whether you choose to exclusively breastfeed, combo feed, or bottle feed, I hope you do so comfortably with lots of support and sweet baby cuddles.